The Shamrock Shake is a seasonal McDonald's drink that is made out of creamy vanilla soft serve blended with Shamrock Shake syrup and topped with delicious whipped topping, according to the McDonald's website. In honor of St. Patrick's Day in the month of March, we will be making our very own homemade Shamrock Shake to see how it compares to the original.
To make this DIY Shamrock Shake, you will need vanilla ice cream, heavy whipping cream, whipped cream, peppermint extract, and green food coloring. You will also need a blender to mix the ingredients together. First, take a spoon and scoop 3 large scoops of vanilla ice cream into a bowl. Next, pour 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream into a separate bowl. Next, pour 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract into the bowl with the heavy cream. Add 6 drops of green food coloring into the same bowl. Mix the food coloring in until it reaches a mint shade of green. Add all of the ingredients into the blender. Set the blender to medium speed and mix until smooth.
Top with whipped cream before serving. So here we have the original Shamrock Shake and then our version. We'll be trying both of them to see which one is truly the better shake.
Okay, so this is the original Shamrock Shake from McDonald's, and then we have the one that we made, which we'll be comparing it to. So right now we're gonna try this one first.
This is my first time ever having a Shamrock Shake too.
It's just like a mint milkshake.
But you can taste the hints of peppermint in it.
Yeah. It's really good.
I like how there's the vanilla flavor and then the mint is there, but the mint isn't too overpowering.
Yeah, because usually with this kind of drink, I feel like people are scared that it's too sweet.
I was thinking that too because I was scared that the mint flavor would be too strong, but it's actually very subtle.
Yeah, I like it.
We just have to remember whose straw is which.
Yes.
Okay, I'll take this one. Oh.
How does it compare?
Okay, right off the bat, we have a thicker consistency, and I kind of like the original's consistency a little bit better, so.
Like the thinner consistency?
Yeah, thinner consistency. I feel like the mint flavor isn't quite reaching. It's definitely more of like a vanilla-y flavor. The mint is definitely pretty faint.
Then we could have added a bit more then. That probably would have been on our part. Because I think that we put a lot of ice cream and we didn't balance it out with enough mint.
Yeah.
I think it's actually really interesting though because like the mint is very light at the beginning, but at the end that's where you can kind of taste it, which is compared to the McDonald's, which is where you can taste the mint throughout. Okay, you guys can try it.
Yeah, I agree. Actually, this one definitely tastes more like toothpaste for me. Like, I don't think, because I think that the sugar is not balanced enough.
Yeah.
But I think that, I honestly think that for me, the consistency is a bit, it's kind of the same. I didn't really taste that much of a difference. It's just, the difference is the amount of sugar that you taste in this one. It feels a lot more like you're just kind of eating toothpaste. And this is you can feel the sugars in it.
Yeah.
I feel like they put more cream into it, which is why it's thicker, or more ice cream or cream. And I feel like maybe a little more peppermint too. It's definitely a little mintier than ours. I feel like ours definitely has a more subtle peppermint taste.
I mean, overall, I think for it being homemade, I think that it's pretty good. And I think the fact that the ingredients we have, we can make a couple of these. You can make probably 4 or 5 of them.
Yeah.
I think it's not too bad, but at least personally, I definitely think that the McDonald's shake does win out. It's a classic for a reason.
I think that you can definitely replicate it though. I feel like that might have been on our part where we put in a lot more ice cream than the peppermint extract or even the heavy whipping cream or whatever. But I think that you can definitely adjust it to be more like the Shamrock Shake, and even add some more like sugar to it too, like even like it's more like natural sugars like stevia, and then you might get that that taste that will like balance with it, that will kind of replicate the Shamrock Shake.
I think it really depends on your taste. Like I know some people like Charlotte and I, for instance, we don't prefer a strong peppermint taste, so we purposely put less, and we prefer that over this. But it does have like a thick consistency, which again, like you can control with the ingredients that you put in. So I think that's one good thing that you get out of making your own shake.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching the Bertola pilot, and have a happy St. Patrick's Day.